Are you ready to get dirty? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, there we go. Gold.
My name is Fari. I came to Norway 7 years ago and I quickly fell in love with the country and the language. I also noticed that there are words in Norwegian that are totally untranslatable to other languages. Therefore, Visit Norway is sending me on an adventure so I can truly learn the meaning of these words in Word of the Day.
And we're back.
Hi Safari, the word of the day is selvplukk. Have a wonderful day and good luck. Selvplukk. I've heard the word before. Considering the emojis they sent, I wonder what type of food I'm going to selvplukk. Let's check it out.
Selvplukk is a word put together by two words, self and pick, and is literally you picking your own food. It's a social activity, as well as climate-friendly and cheap, and you can do it strolling around in the woods or by visiting selvplukk-farms. Norwegians love excursions with friends and family, picking herbs, vegetables, mushrooms, fruits and berries. And at the end of the day, they go together and make a delicious meal, all by selvplukk.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So selvplukk for me is mushroom picking.
Okay.
Hopefully we'll find a mushroom that likes to stay up late. It's called the funnel chanterelle.
Oh,
Yeah.
funnel chanterelle. I've heard you can find very dangerous mushrooms.
Yeah, you could. Can always find different types of mushrooms. Some of them are deadly, some are edible. We're going to hope we find the edible ones.
Sound like a real professional that has like studied the mushrooms.
I'm a certified mushroom identification expert,
Ooh.
which is really fancy in English. You take a course so that you can help others know what to look for. So this is what's called a false chanterelle. This could look a lot like the regular chanterelle.
Yeah.
They have these gills, and the regular chanterelle has more, it looks more like veins.
Is this one poisonous?
It's not that poisonous, no. It's you could get a stomach ache,
Okay.
but it's not dangerous to eat it.
I see.
But,
So there are so many mushrooms that are so
Yeah.
fake. They look like the one mushroom you want to find, but then they're just fake. They are
Yeah.
there to trap you.
Yeah, they are, and that's why you need to know what to look for.
Yeah.
Looking just at the top of the mushroom is kind of like looking at the back of someone's head and trying to tell you.
Who they are.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Yeah. Those are really cool. And it's called røyksopp, which is kind of translated to smoke mushroom. If you stomp on it, they will give out this smoke, which is actually how they spread their genes.
And here are some more mushrooms. It looks nasty.
It looks really nasty right now, yeah. It bleeds, this orange blood.
Mushroom blood.
Yeah. The joy of going out to pick mushrooms is that you find so much.
So many different types of mushrooms.
So you get really excited, and then a lot of times you also get disappointed when you run to something and then it's not what you think. And these are what we're actually looking for today, the funnel chanterelle. When you first find one, you usually find more.
Oh, I found one big one. No. No.
Oh no, but that's the spirit I'm talking about, like the happiness and then the disappointment.
Yeah.
And these are the ones we're looking for.
They're everywhere.
Yeah. Oh, look over there as well. Yeah. Even if you don't find anything, you have been walking in the forest and just being with nature.
The nice thing about selvplukk is that you get to find your own food.
Yeah.
We now have a lot of mushrooms.
Yeah, that's a dinner right there.
Wow. Thank you for showing me this place. You know, maybe I'll bring my mom here and my mom will bring her friends.
Yeah, but you shouldn't though. It's actually a tradition that you don't share your mushroom picking places. Now I had to do the Men in Black thing and just erase your memory.
So that I don't find your spot. Selvplukk.
Selvplukk. You can go out on a trip and you can pick some mushroom. But you have to be careful because some are poison.
There's a thing in Norway when you pick the mushrooms kantareller. So it's a kind of a hunt that everyone tries to find their spot with the kantareller.
Yeah,
and you probably kind of have that as a secret.
There's a big thing with strawberries and other berries that pick those in the summer.
You can go to different farms around Norway for corn and strawberries and pick it for yourself for dinner or dessert.
Welcome to Wøyen farm. This is an old farm and this is where you find a lot of selvplukking. Today we're going to meet a very friendly woman called Tale, who's going to help us with selvplukking. Let's check it out. Hi Tale.
Hi Safari. Welcome to selvplukk.
Thank you.
Today we are going to harvest and selvplukk potato.
Okay.
And also a bit of leek.
Leek.
And then we can make a delicious soup.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, I can wait.
We have a huge diversity of what we are growing here. You name it, we have it. You are coming at the end of our season. If you would have been here in August or September, there would have been a lot more produce and also colors and varieties.
They look so happy. Hi guys. Hey, come here little bunny. Come and eat some. Oh, there we go.
And also we grow organically here. So what you eat here is healthy for you and also for the nature.
Yeah, I feel so healthy right now.
Yeah. Are you ready to get dirty?
Yes.
Good. Then we go to the potato field.
Yes. Potatoes. Potatoes.
So what we do is to go treasure hunting.
To see if there are any potatoes inside. Oh, there we go. I'm excited. I'm very stoked.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, there we go. Woohoo! Gold. Yeah. I think I just hit the jackpot.
The potato is such an important vegetable for Norwegians. My grandmother and her generation would not consider any dinner without a potato as a dinner. Woohoo! It's time to do a bit washing. This is our herbal garden safari.
Okay.
We can harvest a bit more of the parsley and also maybe some mint for our tea afterwards.
Okay. Wow. I'll be coming here every year just to come and get some vegetables and some tea. I feel like I'm a master chef right now.
It's nothing like a meal outside, prepared and harvest for ourselves. So this is the last bit of our season, and still we have all this.
This was a lot, actually.
It's not for everyone to grow this variety of vegetables, but it is actually for everyone to come and visit the farm and selvplukk. Was it good?
It was very good. Now this is something I've actually never tasted before, but it's delicious. It tastes rich ingredients. You can taste the naturalness and the flavor.
For me, so far, this is a supper with meaning. Having had all these experiences and having shared all the preparations with you makes it even more meaningful, this moment that we are sharing. Is it tea time?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. That's amazing. So I had a really good time today. Thank you so much.
That's good.
Wow, selvplukk. What a word. So thank you Visit Norway for giving me the word selvplukk, and thank you guys for being with me through the whole episode. So remember guys, subscribe to see the next episode, and I see you guys in the next episode. Okay, bye, love you.